Going closer. This is called Emma Eats a Tablespoon.
Emma eats a tablespoon of cinnamon. Go for it. Whole thing at once. All at once. You gotta go the whole thing at once. Whole thing at once. Come on. Whole thing. Oh.
You quit already. What? That was
Oh shit.
Ew. What the fuck?
Yeah.
This is a bite. Oh my god.
It's really that bad.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
It's wicked bad. Yes. Oh my god. I'm so putting this on YouTube.
If you want, you can do it right now. I got my cord book.
Yo, I'll give you a few cigarettes just for that. I don't even care. That was so worth it.
I want to see that shit.
Yes. That was funny. That was funny. Good job.
I'm crying.
Aww.